Luigi had a game changer of a hearing in his federal case today. And his new attorney, Paresh Patel, he didn't just show up, he took command of that courtroom. Today's hearing was all about those 2 counts of the indictment related to interstate stalking and whether or not those crimes qualify as a crime of violence. That issue determines whether or not those counts survive. So this wasn't a small hearing, this was make or break it. That is why the addition of Paresh Patel to his defense team this week was an absolutely brilliant move. Patel went toe-to-toe with Judge Garrett respectfully. He argued the statute is way too broad and it criminalizes fear, not physical force. And you can't call something a crime of violence when the conduct can be totally accidental. The judge did push back with cases from Florida, Louisiana, Georgia, and even a Second Circuit summary order. And Patel didn't even flinch. Moment that shocked me. Some people might say it was a threat. I think it was a promise. He said basically, if you rule that this statute is divisible, every defendant that's ever been convicted under this statute is going to ask for it to be reversed. Because that ruling would overturn a lot of convictions and make a lot of defense attorneys very happy. That wasn't theater, that was legal strategy. Basically, he was telling the judge, your decision doesn't just affect Luigi, it ripples across the entire federal system. When the government took over for their oral argument, the judge bombarded them with a lot of hypotheticals. Even the AUSA struggled to define where fear ends and violence begins. And at the end of the hearing, the judge admitted it was so serious she was not going to rule today. Instead, we're back in court January 30th at 11 a.m. And I know you guys have been asking me about when Luigi's going to trial. That's going to be this fall. Yeah, that shocked me because I've been saying it's going to be next year. But Patel absolutely changed the trajectory of this hearing today. Luigi's definitely got himself a legal dream team. Follow along and we'll see where it goes.